Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am GlamPreezy and I am so excited today to be bringing you my skincare routine. I am going to show you my favorite skincare products, and I have tailored this video to my travel skincare routine because I'm traveling right now, and also because in 2019 I'm going to be traveling a lot, and I wanted to inspire you guys to take care of your skin no matter where you are, home or away. So stay tuned. I'm going to show you how I got this beautiful glow with no makeup, honey. Keep watching.
I'm young for tonight, it's all under my control.
Okay guys, so we are in my bathroom and I'm looking exceptionally dry and crusty right now because I just took my makeup off, and I just wanted to mention that I do use the Neutrogena makeup wipes, if anybody was wondering. So let's get into my travel skincare routine. So mainly when I travel, I use Ole Henriksen products. I just love his products and I love the quality of them. And Sephora always comes through with the travel sizes for this particular brand. I always start off with a cleanser, of course. You gotta cleanse your face. So I like to use the Clean True Foaming Cleanser with African Red Tea extract in it. This is awesome. I kind of start off with damp skin, so I'm just gonna dampen my skin a little bit. I like to use this when my face and hands are damp because I feel like it makes it foam better. So I kind of just... So if you don't have a Clarisonic, you would just continue to normally cleanse your skin. But I do have a Clarisonic, so I just wanted to show you how I do that with the Clarisonic. Get this wet first and then turn it on. And it's timed. Each section of your face is, I think, 10 seconds. I have been using the Clarisonic for a little over 10 years now, and it definitely is a holy grail for me, and I don't go anywhere without my Clarisonic. Next step is exfoliation. Super, super, super important. And when I'm traveling, I do this step as well. Twice a week, I like to do a deep exfoliation. I like to use the Drunk Elephant TLC SooAE Baby Facial. It's a resurfacing facial peel, and it has 25% alpha hydroxy acid and 2% beta hydroxy acid in it. When I'm traveling, sometimes I really like to have that beautiful glow, so that means I need to do a deep exfoliation, and for that I do like to use this product. This product, girl, is going to exfoliate your skin. I mean, it is going to get rid of all that dead, dry, any buildup in your skin. If you're super oily and you need to clean your pores out and you just want a fresh start, this is phenomenal. I do definitely recommend that you read the directions very well and make sure that you understand that this is a peel. It's 25% alpha hydroxy acid, so it's a little intense. However, it's very easy to use, so don't freak out. You just put it on after you've cleansed your skin, and you just pop it on like a mask, leave it on for 20 minutes, and then rinse it off. Because I've already done this week, I'm not gonna do it for the video, but I will show you the consistency of the product. It's pretty thick. Okay, so I will actually be exfoliating today, just not with that. I'm going to be using the Transforming Walnut Scrub by Ole Henriksen, and it looks like this. This scrub is pretty straightforward. It has walnut powder and ginseng extract, so you know that it is going to energize the skin and give your skin a nice, healthy glow. It's gentle enough for everyday or every other day use. I love to start off with my hands damp when I'm using products like this, so I just dampen my hands. I like to spread it out first and then go in and scrub. I like to hit those areas like my nose, chin, and forehead really good. Don't be afraid to dampen your hands before using some of these products because it really helps them spread out and move better. And do not forget your lips. Okay guys, so now that we have exfoliated, next up on our list is going to be using a hydrating toner or a hydrating water essence. Now, a lot of people are like, what the hell is that? And why would I use that? Now, toners have come a long way. Toners used to just balance the pH, and it is the last step of cleansing just to make sure that you have removed all of the dirt, makeup, everything off of your skin. However, these days toners are super advanced, and we have advanced into an era of water essences. Now what those do is they infuse our skin with amazing ingredients that are meant to penetrate the skin very deeply, which is why they are very liquidy and a watery consistent. Some of them are mineral based, some of them are rose water based. Every company has a different main ingredient that they use. I love the SK2 facial treatment essence. Now SK2 has their own ingredient, of course, that they use, and it's called Patera. It is a rice ferment extract, and this happens to be one of my favorite water essences. But if you want something a little less expensive or a lot less expensive, you can try e.l.f.'s water essence. That one is really phenomenal. It's actually one of my favorite products to use. Or if I don't have that one, or if I've run out of it, I simply use the Mario Badescu facial sprays. I don't have a favorite one, but I just happen to have this one on hand, so I wanted to show you. I love these because they come in travel sizes from Ulta. It has a hole in the top, so you have to be careful because it is very liquidy, as you can see. So what I do is I put a couple drops in my hand, get it on both of my hands, and then I know that I have enough when my skin starts to feel a little tacky and it's absorbed all of the product. So next step, of course there's another step. Girl, you can't just go right into moisturizer. We gotta be extra, okay? I only got one face, honey. Immediately after I put on my water essence or my toner, I like to go in with my serum. Now, serum and water essence is different. Serum is going to be an extremely concentrated, power-packed product that is designed to address your skincare concern. So my skincare concern is that I want to brighten and even out my skin tone, and I love a healthy, dewy glow. And we also want to boost collagen because we ain't got no time for wrinkles, do we? So for that, I love to use the Ole Henriksen, the Truth Serum. This serum is collagen boosted. It has a very stable vitamin C complex in it. This particular bottle really is generous with the pump. You probably don't need near as much of this, but that's how much it pumped out. So that's how much we gonna use. I do also like to get this on my lips. As you can tell, I put most of my skincare on my lips as well. So don't neglect your lips, guys. Make sure that your serum is safe for the eye area. Up next, we have eye cream. Ole Henriksen does have a phenomenal eye cream that I really like, which is the Banana Bright eye cream. I own it, but I don't have it with me, so I can't show you. I only have my holy grail eye gel with me, and that is the Clarins eye contour gel. I've been using this eye gel since I was like 20, 21 maybe. I sweep it up with one finger, tap it. Okay, so of course we are not done yet, but it is time for moisturizer. And before I share my day moisturizer with you, I just wanted to let you know that I do use a night cream. Night cream is super important to me because that is when your body is resting and regenerating, and it's the best time to put on some of your treatment-based products like retinol. For me, retinol has been nice. I've been saying this about a lot of products, but truly has been key in keeping my skin nice and firm and bright, and also helping me to get rid of my hyperpigmentation, especially when I have things like this. It's gonna really help to get rid of that. For that, when I'm traveling, I love to use the Ole Henriksen Goodnight Glow in the Retin Alt Sleeping Cream. So for daytime, C Rush Brightening Gel Cream. It's awesome because again, it has that vitamin C in it, and vitamin C is phenomenal for the skin. I didn't talk much about ingredients because I want to keep this video pretty short and sweet. Vitamin C helps with texture, tone, brightening the skin, evening out pigmentation. For my beautiful melanated girls, vitamin C is a phenomenal ingredient, and I think that everybody should have at least one really nice quality vitamin C product in their skincare regimen. So next I am going to do my lip care. You guys know in every single video I always use a lip product to prep my lips before my makeup, and for that I love to use the Buxom lip plumping balm. I love this stuff because it will plump the lips a little bit. It doesn't sting, but it moisturizes my lips and it gives my lips a little bit of color. This completes my skincare routine when I am home, and especially when I'm traveling. Again, like I said, these are some of my favorite products to travel with. They all come in travel sizes. You can get all of these products at Sephora because now Sephora is carrying Mario Badescu's. I did not do for the video today because I'm kind of in a rush, but I did want to mention that when I do have the time, traveling or not, I do love to do a nice sheet mask, and I just wanted to show you two of the sheet masks that I really like to use. The brand SooAE is one of my favorite brands for sheet masks, and this particular one and the Revitalizing Rose Petal, this one is super hydrating, and you can just pop this on your skin for about 15 to 20 minutes after you cleanse and exfoliate. The Wild Rose Hydrogel Glow Mask. So if you have the time, definitely include a mask in your regimen. It will change your whole skincare game. Thank you guys so much for sticking in there with me and watching my 1,000 product regimen. This is like my #1 requested video, so I'm so sorry for the wait, and I hope that you enjoy seeing how I get this beautiful glow. Thank you so much for tuning into my channel and listening to me ramble about my makeup and skincare addiction. Mwah.
Under my control.
Let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4. Wait. 6, 7. Oh, okay.